Hey guys, it's John here. In this video, I want to talk to you about the secret date on when I think Bitcoin will start going up. And the date is 25th of April. Let's stick around if you want to know the year. Okay, so I'm not telling you the year yet. I'm just joking. I'll tell you. But it's actually more important to know why it's going to go up rather than you know all this date. Again, it's just an estimate. It's going to be on the 25th of April, 2024. Again, this is not a financial advice. This is just an estimate because nobody knows what's going to happen, right? But that date is actually the next Bitcoin halving estimated date. There is no 100% guarantee it's going to go up, but it's just one factor. I think it is more important to know why I believe those date is a very important date, and you can put it in your calendar. And then 2 years from now, you can actually message me whether it's true or not, because I'm going to track this video. I made this video on the 18th of June, 2022. Currently, Bitcoin is around the $20,400. Okay, let's understand the factors of how Bitcoin prices can go up. The reason why Bitcoin prices can go up is because of supply and demand. So when you have more demand than supply, you know that the Bitcoin price will go up. And if there is more supply than demand, which means there are more selling pressure than buying, then price is going to go down. As simple as that. It's just supply and demand. The date that I told you why the Bitcoin prices will go up is because the supply of Bitcoin will get halved. So the miners, when they run their machines, they are only going to get half of the Bitcoin that they used to get. And this halving period happens every 4 years. Nobody knows the exact date, but we can estimate on when the next one is gonna be. So I will show you this Bitcoin to stock flow model that is made by Plan B. This guy Plan B, I think he's from Netherlands. He made this stock to flow model because he wants to know how much Bitcoin gonna go up based on the supply in the market, which I think is a brilliant model. But again, this is just a model to tell you whether the price is going to go up or down. So let's go to his website. All right, as you can see, okay, so I'm going to show you two websites. The first website is this website here, buybitcoinworldwide.com, stock to flow. And then according to this website, the next halving estimate is going to be 25th of April, 2024. Okay, the previous halving happened here. You can see when it turns to red, and also here and here. Okay, I'm going to take you to a different chart, which I think is a little bit better. So this is a website by Plan B. So this dotted line is when the Bitcoin will halve. And you can see from here to here, the Bitcoin prices started to go up because the supply has been cut. Same thing with this one here. Right, so every time there's a red line, so if you look at this red line is when the Bitcoin say 1,400 days until the next halving. Now we are currently sitting here at $20,400 as of when I make this video. You can see that we still have, say it's about 800 days to the next half. We are sort of still in the mid halving period. And then you can see here, when we are sort of in the mid-halving period, actually the prices went down, the Bitcoin prices went down. Same thing with this one here. We are sort of in the middle, and then it sort of went down and then went sideways, then started to go back up when the halving started. Same thing with this one here. It went up. Well, this one is a bit different because the trajectory is already went up, but you can see there's a crash from that $30 to the $3, right? That's 90% crash. Then it went back up, but as soon as it halved, you can see it's just skyrocketed, right? And then same thing with this one and this one. So is this going to happen 100%? It depends on the volume, right? It depends on the volume. If people believe in it and people buying it, then it's going to go back up. So this is the date that you should put it in your calendar, 25th of April, 2024. Now, let's look at in the chart of what actually happened. Let's start with this halving period. Okay, so this was back in around November 2012. So this is a chart of a weekly Bitcoin 2012, and we are looking for about December 2012. All right, so here we are looking for December 2012. All right, so this is December 2012. You can see it went up from $12 all the way up to $250, from $12 to $254 after it halved. All right, so that's the first halving. The next halving, it happened on September 13th, 2016. Okay, so let's go to 2016. Let's go to 2016, September 2016. Okay, so September 2016, May, August, September. All right, so this is September 2016 here. It's sitting on a 25 days simple moving average. So around here, from September, it went up from $600 all the way to $3,000. Do the maths. How many times is $600 to $3,000? That's 5x. So whoever knew about this halving, they just bought Bitcoin, and then, yeah, you know, if they lose money, they're just gonna cut loss or whatever. They made 5 times of their money. Okay, let's go and look at the next halving. So this halving happened in May 2020. All right, 2 years ago, May 2020. Okay, so if we go to May 2020, this is around the COVID crash. Okay, so this is the COVID crash. And then we see the May 2020. All right, so May 2020 is around here. All right, as you can see, that it's just sitting before the pre-COVID level. So it went up from 9,300 to $65,000. 9,500 to $65,000. And then now we are sitting here. A lot of people think that Bitcoin is going to bounce back from this 20,000 level. Well, I personally believe that they may not happen. I think it's just like a trap because of the selling volume and there is no buying volume yet. That's what I think. But I actually made a video about that in this video. If you want to check it out, why I think 20,000 is not going to bottom. Keep an eye on 25th of April 2022. So thank you so much for listening to me until the end. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next video.